Over the years, Gallup has added some additional reports to this suite to give you even more information. Their premier report is called the Full 34 report. And this report actually gives you your list of the entire set of 34 talent themes in rank order for you, as well as a lot of content specifically on your top 10 themes. So more information about how your top 10 themes work for you, action steps you can take to develop them, etc. My recommendation for people is usually to do the Full 34 report when you're ready to look at the bottom of the report and go, yep, that is definitely not me. So for example, one of the themes at the bottom of my report is a theme called harmony. People with harmony are really great at seeking harmony and helping other people find their way back into harmony and into a place where there is not so much conflict. Conflict has kind of pushed away and often pushed to the side or sometimes dealt with, right? For me, I don't naturally always seek harmony. I'm a little more comfortable even when there is conflict. In some ways, that serves me well in my job because I work with a lot of teams where we need to sit in conflict for a little while. But that harmony strength can be super powerful in people who have it. That is never going to be my role in a team, right? That's never going to be who I am. And it's important that I know that I'm able to let that go rather than continuing to try to really push hard to be somebody who's great at that, right? I might be competent, but I'll probably never be great.